Hello, welcome to the channel. We are going to start a new series for Csat. In today's lecture, we are going to look into sums and problems of age. Here are some formulas which we will use while solving the questions. First one is, if current age is x, then n times the age is nx. That's very simple. Then age after n years should be x plus n. Suppose today's age is 10. Age after 4 years should be plus 4, and before 4 years should be 10 minus 4 or x minus 4. Then ages in the ratio if the ages are in the ratio of a as to b, then their ages will be ax and bx. If the current age is x, then 1/n of age is x by n. It means if current age is 10, then 1/2 of its age should be 10 by 2, 5. Now let us solve the first sum. Read the sum. In 4 years, after 4 years, means age should be added. Raj's father age is twice as Raj. Let's put into the equation. After 4 years, Raj's father age f plus 4 should be twice the age of Raj. Raj's age after 4 years r plus 4 into 2. 2 years ago, age should be age minus n, x minus n. Here should be minus. Raj's mother age is twice the age of Raj. Let's put into the equation. 2 years ago, age of mother should be m minus 2. Age of Raj should be r minus 2, and it's twice. And third situation is, if Raj is 32-year-old in 8 years. After 8 years, Raj is 32-year-old. Means equation should be r plus 8 is equal to 32 after 8 years. Hence, we get the age of Raj is 24, and that is the current situation. Today's age is 24. Now, put this value of r in equation 1 and equation 2 to get age of father and mother respectively. Let's put in the equation 1. f plus 4 is equal to r plus 4. R is 24 and value is 52. In equation 2, m minus 2 is equal to r. This is r minus 2. R is 24 minus 2, 22, and we get the value of m is 46. That's a simple. Now let's take the sum 2. The given is the average age of 3 boys is 15. If their ages are in the ratio of 3 as to 5 as to 7, and as we have seen earlier the formula, if they are in the ratio, it should be taken as, their ages should be taken as 3x, 5x and 7x. Now let's solve it. Age of 3 boys is 15, given data. Ratio of ages is 3 as to 5 as to 7, then their ages should be 3x, 5x and 7x respectively, and we have to find x and put the value into the youngest one, because we have to find the age of youngest boy, and 3x should be the youngest, means smallest age. Then we can get this formula after using the average. Average means sum of these divided by number. How many are there? Is equal to 15. 3x plus 5x plus 7x divided by 3 is the average, and average is 15. In solving it, sum of this will be 15x, and this will be 15 into 3. When we transfer 3 here, then x should be 3. let's put x, value of x, into the smallest, 3x, and we will get age of lowest age must be 3x, and 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 is the age we are expected to calculate, and this age is of youngest boy. Yes, that's all in today's lecture.